Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the deviled egg in Bedwars. This unique item is a fun challenge during special events, offering players a chance to earn exclusive rewards. We'll cover the exact steps you need to take to add this elusive egg to your collection, ensuring you don't miss out on its benefits. To acquire the deviled egg, your primary objective is to eliminate an enemy player. Once you've secured a kill, it's crucial to immediately follow up by performing any dance emote. This specific combination of actions, a kill followed by a quick dance, is the key to unlocking this special event item. The deviled egg primarily serves as a collectible for Bedwars egg hunt events, contributing to your overall event progress. While it doesn't offer direct combat advantages, collecting it helps unlock exclusive cosmetic items or a certain amount of in-game currency. Aim to gather all event eggs for the most significant, limited-time rewards available. To maximize your egg hunt efficiency, prioritize quick eliminations and be ready to emote instantly after each kill. Playing with a coordinated team can significantly speed up the process, allowing you to secure multiple eggs in a single match. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.